Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that intro. And yes, as you saw in the video, today's model will be this Rocky Mountain wallet. Here's how to fold it. Alright, so I'm going to use a 7-inch of A2 origami paper. By the way, this steer is by Satoshi Kamiya. Credit to Satoshi Kamiya. Alright, so let's start colored side up and valley fold in half. Now let's valley fold in half in this direction. Now take this edge and fold it to this crease. And turn over and do the same thing. Now it looks really colorless right now, but don't worry, you'll see the colors start to come in soon. Now open this and squash on this line. I'll zoom in a tiny bit. So yeah, on that line. Oops. There we go. It took a bit long, I'm sorry. And turn over and do the same thing. There we go, that was better. Now take this edge and fold it to this crease. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. Now turn over and do the same thing. I'll zoom out a bit. Now what we're going to do is unfold this and open it, and we're going to do a reverse fold on this crease. Like that. And now take this whole flap and fold it up like that. And do the same on the other side. So open, reverse fold, and valley fold up. Alright, so now we've got this, but the problem with this is that it looks like a boat and not a wallet. So we have to do a pretty complex step. Is we open this, and it's not that complex, but here we go. This is the complex part. Take this flap and shift it over to the other side like this. Now you should have this pocket right here. And you want to squash the pocket down. And then, so many steps, valley fold this up and valley fold this back down. Okay, now that was hard, but now we have a flat edge. And now we'll do it on this side. So open up, make sure the flap is on this side, fold it to the other side. So I folded it to the other side like that, and then squash the pocket, fold this edge up, and flatten. Now we've got our wallet shape, but it is not a mountain, it is a stripe. So how we can fix that is fold this down and zoom in a bit because this is also pretty tricky. So we just folded this flap down, and now we open this pocket and put this flap inside. It was a hard pocket to open. Now, to make it even more secure, we take this flap, remember that flap that we reverse folded, and we stick it in this pocket. It doesn't really matter which one, but I'm going to stick it in the bottom pocket. Like that. Now repeat on this side. So unfold, open the pocket, That one was easier. And stick this one inside. And now take this flap and put it in the bottom one. And flatten. And now you're done your wallet. I hope you were able to fold that. That was a little bit hard. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.